Hello and welcome to Blue Monkey Languages. Today we will practice conversation and how to talk about ourselves. In general, there is no distinction between masculine and feminine in English language. Therefore, we will have one profile that can be used for both genders. So let's begin. Hi, my name is George. Or, hi, my name is Catherine. I am 23 years old, I am English, and I live in London. I am originally from Brighton. I am currently studying anthropology at SOAS University, and I work as a barista at the weekend. I live in a small studio flat and have a sharing kitchen and living room. I often visit my parents in Brighton and enjoy their big house by the beach and the big garden. My auntie lives in Portugal, where I spend most of my summer holiday. I like to go swimming in the morning and take long walks with my dogs. I play the guitar and enjoy meeting my friends in the pub. Well done! Now try to write your own profile using this scheme. And make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't done it already. If you want to support us, please check our Patron account. And I will see you next time. Bye for now.